Every great story begins with a single step. At dito nagsimula ang kwento ng RRCT Realty. Not with grandeur, not with fame, but with humble beginnings and 1 month's unwavering dream. Year 2012, nang maging licensed real estate broker, si Mr. Ralph Roger Tagaw. Mula sa pagiging accountant, tinawag siyang tahakin ang isang bagong landas, ang real estate. Walang formal na opisina, walang malaking kapital, just a small table sa kanilang bahay at isang pangarap na baka pwedeng maging totoo. Habang working as an accountant sa araw at weekdays, ang gabi at weekends ay para sa real estate. At kasabay ng pagmamanage ng kanilang bigasan sa Sampaloc, Manila, unti-unti niyang binuo ang kanyang bagong misyon. Pero tulad ng maraming simula, mahirap. 2015, first year niya as full-time real estate broker. Isang client lang ang nabenta sa unang 6 na buwan. At kahit iyon, na-cancel pa. Natapos ang taon, 7 units lang ang kabuuang benta. Para sa iba, enough reason para sumuko. Pero hindi kay Sir Ralph. Kasi ang pangarap, hindi sinusukuan, pinaglalaban. From 2016 to 2018, unti-unting pumalo ang sales. May mga nagtiwala, may mga sumama, at nabuo ang unang core team. Karamihan sa pamilya at ang kanyang asawa, si Ma'am Jenilyn Tagaw.
Our 15th top broker for 2019. Give it up for RRCT Realty!
Then came 2019, the breakthrough year. RRCT Realty hit over 200 million in sales. Isang patunay na kapag may tiyaga, may bunga. Pagdating ng February 2020, lumipat sila sa Bukawi, Bulacan. Isang bagong lugar, bagong simula, pero pareho pa rin ang setup. Home office, but a bigger space this time to accommodate more agents. Then, the world stopped. Nag-pandemic. Pero habang lahat ay natatakot, habang karamihan ay nawalan ng pag-asa, RRCT Realty kept going. Because even in crisis, people long for security. A home, a space they can call their own. Dahil dito, 300 million plus sales in 2020 ang RRCT Realty. Awarded as top 10 broker sa Apex Homes at nagkaroon ng mga new partner agents. New beginnings. 2021, RRCT Realty officially became a corporation. Mas systematize, mas organize, mas handang lumipad. 2022, mas lumaki ang team. Mas solid ang culture. Naging top 10 overall sa Apex Homes ulit. At nag-celebrate ng first year anniversary as a corporation.
Happy first anniversary!
Then come 2023. The most historic breakthrough ng RRCT Realty. Almost 1 billion in sales. Awarded as top 5 broker of the year sa APEC Homes. At top 2 realty for Seria Baliwag ng Ubia Land Inc. A year of greatness. A year of proof. A year of answered prayers. Pero hindi lahat ng taon ay pataas. Noong 2024, this is a year of reflection. Agents come and go. Seasons change. Pero ang purpose, hindi nawawala. Kaya RRCT Realty, focus on what matters most. People, team, training, transformation. At kahit lower than 2023 ang sales, with 700 million in total sales, ng 2024, it became a turning point. A reminder that growth is not just numbers. It's foundation. It's strength. It's building people. Then, this 2025, a new and bigger office. A bigger and stronger team. A revived passion. RRCT Realty is not just selling homes. We are changing lives. We are building careers. We are empowering Filipino families to finally have their dream home. At sa puso ng lahat ng ito ay ang paniniwala ni Sir Ralph na honesty and integrity are the foundation of real success. This is who we are. This is what we stand for. This is RRCT Realty. And to everyone who has been part of this journey, our families, our partner agents, our developers, and our clients. This story is not just ours. It is yours. And we are just getting started. RRCT Realty, building dreams, transforming lives, and creating legacies. Together, we rise.
Sino ang tatawagin? RRCT Realty, yeah, yeah. Sino ang hahanapin? RRCT Realty, yeah, yeah. Kapartner mo sa pag-abot ng pangarap mong magkabahay. Sa bawat hakbang, laging handang tumulong, laging handang umalalay, serbisyong tunay. Sa bawat proseso, detalyeng kailangan mo, maasahan laging nandito ang kapartner mo. Sino ang tatawagin? sa sarili